Today, the thing that I've been fearing more than anything on a motorcycle happened to me today, and this saved the day and got me home. If you want to know what it is, stay tuned. So I'm around about 50 to 70 mile away from the house, and I get a screw in the tyre. Tyre's going flat, and I'm in the middle of nowhere on the way to Buxton or Matlock, and the tyre's flat. I'm stopped to the side of the road and I had no idea what to do. I bought these little things from eBay just on the off chance maybe they'd work, maybe they won't. They do work, and they got me all the way home. So this little thing saved the day. So the main kit that I bought was a small bike pump. It just fits under the seat perfectly. I bought a load of these. So this is how I fit it in the Kawasaki Versys. So the Kawasaki Versys does not have a lot of space under the seat, as you can see. Got a small toolkit here, and in this bag is where I keep everything. I always double bag them because they are quite pointy. They'll rip the bag quite easily. I think this bag is actually ripped. It's a little bit ripped there. So this fits perfectly under the seat. It weighs next to nothing. A small bike pump. And then a packet of these. There are different sizes, small and large ones. Let me show you on the bench. And this is the kit. So there was about 50 or so of these little, I call them nuggets for some reason, but they're not. And they are little, almost punch repair kit. So if you've got your, just looks like a screw with some silicone around it. That's all it is. Very, very simple idea. And don't get me wrong, if you're one for thinking about doing a track day with one of these inserted, I would stay away from that. But if you take it easy, it will get you home. And that was the main issue for me. I wanted to make sure I got home all right. The little bike pump, again, nothing special really, just a bike pump, but without this little tool, I would have been stuck. It did come with all the little bike levers and things like that. Don't know why I unscrewed that, because I don't want to take it apart. Yeah, it took a while to fill the tyre. But yeah, it's nice. It's lightweight, it fits perfectly under the seat. It did come with all these tyre levers and stuff. I don't plan taking a tyre off, but you never know when you might need something to be able to lever. So I'll keep them in because there's no weight to it whatsoever. But these, I've got to be honest, they are impressive, really. It got me right out of the shit. So yeah, if you've not got any of these under your bike seat, I would advise get some. Just get a couple of little Ziploc bags, stuff it all in. I always double bag stuff because the bags rip, but if you put that in and then you fold it up, it takes next to no room under your seat, but it'll certainly get you home. This screw was in here, just about there, and it was blowing air out of it, and I used a little screwdriver out of the toolkit. So they are in a little plastic tube, and they just look like a screw with what can only describe as silicone on it. And literally I took the screw out, screwed this in
just so it's underneath the underneath the actual rubber itself. And this got me all the way home, about 50-60 mile. I got a little bit more confident with it, but I stuck to around about 30-40 mile an hour for about 50 mile. I am going to change this tyre because it's looking a little bit worn now anyway. But yeah, without this little kit from eBay, I'd have been completely stranded today, not knowing who to ring, why to ring, how to ring, because everybody was shut. So I advise everybody to get one. If I can find it again, because it was only on an eBay, I will put all the links in the description for this kit. And again, this bike pump's been an absolute diamond. It took a while to pump up, don't get me wrong. It's not the shortest thing, it's not an electric pump, but it is in a small bag under the seat. I was hoping not to be able to use it or not have to use it, but this thing was sent to try us and it got me home, so well pleased with that. If you've not got one, go and get yourself a kit. Really small packet, just fits perfectly here. Let's put that on the original toolbox, and hopefully I'll never have to use it again. Voila.